Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best 3D printers you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on print quality, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget entry-level 3D printer or one geared for design professionals, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Creality Ender 3 Pro. This is our best FDM 3D printer for beginners. If you're a budget-minded 3D enthusiast or new to 3D printing, then the Creality Ender 3 Pro is the perfect choice for you. Good 3D printers just don't come any cheaper. Currently priced at $300, the Creality Ender 3 Pro is a robust printer with plenty of features and delivers great print quality, making it an extremely attractive option for beginners. If you're new to 3D printing, you'll find the Ender 3 Pro is a natural starting point with its ease of use and beginner-friendly features, making it more stable, plus several great upgrades from the original Ender 3, including the power supply, magnetic build surface plate, and aluminum extrusion. You'll find the 10-minute setup is really easy, and when you're ready for your first print, the heated bed can reach its operating temperature in just 5 minutes. You'll enjoy using the upgraded extruder that greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusions, and its patent triangle slot with POM wheel makes it move whisper quiet and extra smooth. It comes with a removable build surface plate and provides all-round protection to your 3D printer build plate and ensures consistent temperature throughout the build surface. And it's very easy to remove the printing models after cooling. One of the best features that you'll love is the resume print function. The Ender 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages, so it'll save you time and materials from having to start your print over again. The key features are resume print function. The Ender 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position if it loses power. Updated extruder. Reduces plugging and limits the risk of bad prints. The pros are large build volume. The large 8.6 by 8.6 by 9.8 inch build area allows you to create large and complex models. Triangle slot with POM wheel. Performs whisper quiet, smooth, and is reliable. Safety. UL certified power supply that protects your printer from power surges. And for the cons, bed adhesion. Some materials like ABS may experience bed adhesion, but adding some adhesive solution to the build plate should solve any issues. Good 3D printers just don't come any cheaper, so if you're a budget-minded 3D enthusiast or new to 3D printing, then the Creality Ender 3 Pro is the perfect choice for you. It's easy to use like an entry-level printer, but delivers great quality prints like the mid-range Lulzbot Mini 2 coming up later in the video. The 4th product on our list is the FlashForge Creative Pro 3D printer. This is a great value for the dollar 3D printer. If you're a beginner or intermediate hobbyist that doesn't want to invest in a high-end printer for now, and you're in search for an advanced entry-level 3D printer that still delivers great value, then the FlashForge 3D Printer Creative Pro may be the best choice for you. It delivers a solid build with plenty of options to give you the biggest bang for your buck. Currently priced at $750, the Creator Pro is an open-source 3D printer that lets you conduct a wide range of experiments. It's also easily upgradable, making it one of the best value per dollar investments for a 3D printer. You'll find the build is really good with a sturdy metal frame, and the aviation-level aluminum plating ensures that its surface is completely flat, so you won't get any warping during the intense heat of the printing process. The metal platform support with a 10mm guide rod also ensures a precise Z-axis movement and protects from any deforming. It's quite easy to use and comes with an LED light that illuminates the printing area behind the newly designed clear viewing window, so you can watch your creations come to life without sacrificing any temperature regulation or risking deforming your print. Once the build is finished, you can easily reach in to remove your creation with its easy access front door. The key features are build quality. Sturdy metal frame with a build volume of 8.9 by 5.8 by 5.9 inches and a 6.3mm aluminum plate. Precision, 10mm guide rod for precise Z-axis movement. Compatibility, compatible with a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, Pearl, and even elastic. The pros are price, fantastic budget price for a 3D printer. Accessibility, Simple but effective design that's ideal for those new to 3D printers. Compact, a fairly small size 3D printer, making it fit well with most office setups. And for the cons, speed. Small print scans take from 90 to 120 minutes, while a more detailed print could take up to 6 hours to complete. If you're a beginner or intermediate hobbyist looking for an affordable investment in a 3D printer, then the FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro may be the best choice for you. It has a solid metal construction and delivers good performance with plenty of options to give you the best value for your dollar. The third product on our list is the Lulzbot Mini 2. This is our best 3D printer for hobbyists. If you're an intermediate hobbyist looking for a solid mid-range 3D printer, the Lulzbot Mini 2 desktop 3D printer may be a great option for you. It hits the sweet spot of balancing the flexibility to print in multiple materials, ease of use, and price. Currently priced at $1,750, the Mini 2 is a compact printer that fits on any hobbyist's desk and looks great with its anodized aluminum frame and 3D printed parts that give it a clean, functional look. You'll find despite the size, it's packed full of intelligent design to thrill any 3D printing enthusiast. The most impressive aspect of the Mini 2 is its incredibly easy-to-use design. It comes pre-assembled, so out of the box, you're ready to start printing and you get a lot of choices for what to print. The Mini 2 upgrades from its earlier model with a more flexible print head, faster motors, and a new modular print bed that is slightly larger to give you better prints. The new print head also means you can use flexible materials like Ninja Flex, and the modular print bed also helps with different materials. If you want to print with even more materials, stay tuned for the material-versatile Dremel Digilab 3D45 coming up next. With a lot of 3D printers, noise can be an issue, but the Mini 2 runs whisper quiet so you can go about your day while it works in the background. The key features are build quality. Compact, portable frame with a maximum build volume of 6.3 by 6.3 by 7.09 inches. Support includes 1-year technical support. Compatibility, compatible with a wide range of flexible and rigid materials. The pros are ease of use. Plug-and-play design allows anyone to set up and start printing. Compact, fits on most work surfaces and is suitable for both home and office use. Quiet, whisper quiet printing technology to allow for easy printing without impeding daily activities. And for the cons, size. Due to its compact size, some complicated prints will require several parts to be printed separately. If you're looking for a great mid-range 3D printer, then the Lulzbot Mini 2 desktop 3D printer may be a great option for you. It hits the sweet spot for many intermediate hobbyists by balancing the flexibility to print in multiple materials, ease of use, and price. The second product on our list is the Dremel Digilab 3D45. This is our best overall 3D printer. If you're a passionate hobbyist looking for one of the best 3D printers available, then the Dremel Digilab 3D45 is an award-winning printer that can help you push the boundaries of the hobby and may be just what you need. With a price tag of $1,900, the 3D45 is a serious investment, but it's also a serious piece of technology with a wide range of features and conveniences that only a serious 3D printer can offer. You'll find the 3D45 is built with a sturdy, fully enclosed plastic design. This promises you better safety, less chance for warping, and of course, better prints. You'll also appreciate that it has carbon and particulate filters built in, just for extra care. The glass build plate is easily removable and heats up along with the metal nozzles to extreme temperatures to guarantee that whatever print you're working on, the 3D45 can keep up. The 5-inch full-color touchscreen makes it really streamlined for the setup and operation, and thanks to the 3D45's smart sensor technology, you'll find it extremely easy to calibrate, adjust, and level your plate with the turn of a knob. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in HD camera, you can print and monitor your projects from anywhere you go. The key features are build quality, sturdy enclosed plastic design with a maximum build volume of 6.7 by 10 by 6 inches. Connectivity, Wi-Fi and local network connections, as well as traditional USB connectivity. The pros are remote, can be used from anywhere using Wi-Fi connectivity and the built-in HD camera for monitoring prints. Fine-tuning, 5-inch touchscreen display allows for precise adjustments of the 3D printer for different prints. Versatility, you can print with materials including nylon that other printers can't, giving more flexibility to your prints. And for the cons, price. The high price point makes it expensive for casual hobbyists. If you're in the market for a serious 3D printer that can meet all your requirements and more, then the Dremel Digilab 3D45 is the printer for you. With its innovative features, cloud printing, and sleek, sturdy design, it's one of the best overall 3D printers available. The first product on our list is the Ultimaker 3. This is our best 3D printer for design professionals under $5,000. If you're a design professional or a serious enthusiast looking to invest in a versatile 3D printer, then the Ultimaker 3 may be the best 3D printer for you. It offers cutting-edge fused deposition modeling printing and flexibility in materials, making it a worthy investment. Currently priced at $4,200, the Ultimaker 3 is a feature-rich machine with a dual extrusion system with a solid build and delivers excellent performance and reliability. You'll find the Ultimaker 3 shares many design similarities with its predecessor, but when it comes to capabilities, it's definitely an upgrade. If you're a fan of 3D printers, you'll really appreciate the dual extrusion print head that features 2 nozzles. You can use 2 filament colors or types. You'll like the fact that you can use a variety of materials including ABS and PLA, but also less common filaments like nylon, copolyester, and polyvinyl. Setup is quite simple and operation is just as easy. There's 3 ways to control your printer. You can use the onboard controls, its mobile app, or the Cura software, which will be most users' preference. Cura is open-sourced software that's comprehensive for advanced users with easy and intuitive basic settings for the less experienced. You'll be able to print from 4 standard resolution settings from draft right up to 60 microns on high. You'll notice a significant improvement over the Ultimaker 2 Plus with better retention of detail even at normal resolution, which is comparable to most 3D printers printing in high resolution. The key features are dual extrusion print head. Dual extruders let you print with 2 colors or filament types. NFC chip automatically identifies the type and color of filament and uses the proper temperature profile when printing. Build volume, 8.5 by 8.5 by 7.9 inches, making it larger than the Dremel Digilab. The pros are print quality, great retention of detail with regular settings that match other 3D printers' high settings. Versatility, can print with materials including ABS, HIPS, PLA, PVA, PETG, and nylon. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, LAN, and USB. And for the cons, print time, very slow, especially on the highest setting. If you're a design professional or a serious enthusiast looking to invest in a versatile 3D printer with cutting-edge FDM printing and flexibility in materials, then the performance of the Ultimaker 3 more than justifies its higher price tag and is well worth considering. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.